Hello, welcome to a new video. Today, as you can see from the title, I am refreshing my hair. I haven't cut it for over a year and it's been like a couple months since I dyed it, so hopefully you can see that regrowth. I feel like because my hair color naturally is quite ashy and brown, it kind of looks grey in comparison to the like henna dyed hair. So today I'm going to chop it off and I am going to re-dye my roots, and yeah, that's it. I haven't been to a salon in many years now. I've done a couple of videos cutting my hair, so if you'd like an in-depth tutorial on how I cut my hair, I'll leave those links below. So today I'm just gonna kind of bring you along for the journey. This is the before, and I'm gonna start by cutting it all off. This is my ratchet salon setup. The mirror here, and then I grabbed this one off my wardrobe so that when I am sitting on this chair I can see the back of my head to cut that. I have the sheet down, but I'm mostly going to try catch it in this bucket if I can. No matter how many times I do this, the first cut is the scariest. I always cut it a little bit longer than I think I want it because I always end up trimming extra off. Oh dear. Switching the sides because the mirror was catching the reflection from that window, making it a little bit hard to see the back. Oh, there's a mess that I missed. Okay, after adjusting it a lot, I think it's straight as far as I can tell. And if I flick over this half, there's not long bits over here, which is good. I think it's time to tidy up first of all, and then I will heat up my henna for my hair. Usually I would jump in the shower now and like wash this all off, but I kind of just want to wait until I have to wash out my dye. I've cleaned up a little, but I can still feel it inside my brow, but that's okay. To dye my hair I use the Lush Caca Rouge henna dye bar, which looks like this when you buy it. It comes in a big block, but I've dyed my hair previously with it. So I'm just going to heat this up and turn it into some hair dye. So my henna is all chopped up. You can grate it, but I like to chop it. If you want to see my full review tutorial about Lush henna hair dyes, I'll link the video below as well. Obviously it's a good review because I'm still using it. This is my second bar. So I've just got it in there and it's kind of a green colour before you heat it up. And this just helps it melt, be a little bit runnier. I always find you have to add way more water than you think. When it starts to get hot, it's going to go like a nice reddy brown colour. You can already see a little bit of the reddy brown coming through. Let's kind of see it on the side here. I think it's looking pretty good now. It looks pretty green on camera, but it's quite reddy brown in real life now. The henna is ready, and always be careful with this because it has been on a really hot stove, so mind your fingers and wait for it to cool down before you put it on your head. Still feeling like it might be a little bit too hot. I just like to scoop it up with my fingers. Apply it to the roots because I've already dyed it with henna before. My main focus is going to be the roots rather than the whole length of my hair. I feel like my hair always looks really shiny and nice after I do this. It's very moisturising and it's a good hair treatment. Honestly, it kind of just looks like you're putting steaming poop on your hair, but the end result is good. Now, I'm going to put it inside a haircut. I like to wipe a little bit off of that excess. I don't know quite how I got that much on my neck. Now I'm just gonna wait for 4 hours. 4 hours later, I'm going to wash this all out. And I think I'm going to just dry it and go to bed. I will reveal in the morning. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the next day, it's the next day. But you know, it's fine because henna develops over the course of a couple of days. So you know, I'm just waiting for my hair color to be richer for me. So this is the before and this is the after. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I feel so much lighter, like physically longer hair is a lot heavier on your head. And yeah, I don't know, I feel more myself with short hair, so it's nice to have a little refresh. No more of my like weird grey regrowth. Nice and red. This was kind of my attempt as like a glow up. That trend that's on YouTube that I didn't know if it would look like a glow up kind of thing. So that's how I do my hair at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about beauty, fashion, life, interiors, all that kind of stuff. Basically just whatever we feel like making. So yeah, this has been DIYing my hair. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!